Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can present your Canva presentation and then record yourself. It could be your face and also your voice at the same time. This is extremely useful if you want to just present the presentation once and then you can share the recording to your friends so you don't have to do the presentation over and over again. So I think it's a really great idea. So to present and record, you have to open the presentation on Canva and then go to the present menu and select present and record. You want to select this option. And by the way, before we go to the next step, make sure you have connected your webcam or your microphone to your computer and make sure they are working properly. So click next and click go to recording studio. This is new mode in Canva that lets us to start recording. Now, usually if you're doing it for the first time, then you want to make sure that you allow the access to the microphone and the camera. And there you go. And you want to select the camera, or also you can select the microphone device that you want to use for the recording. So I'm going to select, let's say, the default setting. And I'm not connecting a camera at the moment, but that's okay. So when you're done and when you're ready, click start recording. Okay, just wait. Okay, now I'm not going to do much here. I'm just trying to make sure that my voice is audible, and I'm going to just move between slides and let's see what happened. Click end recording when you are finished. Now Canva is trying to render the video, and later we should be able to see the result. You can download the file, or you can also see the recording with this URL. I'm going to visit the URL and let's play the recording back. And there you have it. That's how you can present and record your Canva presentation at the same time. I hope you find this video helpful.